Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the max cell power value in the Deye hybrid inverter. So this is the mobile app. You can do the same thing on the cloud portal. So the max solar cell value is a range between 500 to 20,000 watts, and the minimum value is 400. As you can see here, that's the default range, 500 to 20,000. So one way to change this, if you wanted to sell less power to the grid, you can change it to 100. Now, doing it this way, it will not work because the value is less than 500. So you won't be able to enter that in. So what you got to do is go to the single command here at the top here, the single command. Now on the list here, you need to select the correct value. So the set max cell power, select that one, and from here you're actually able to set a different value. As you can see here, the lowest value is 0, so you can put in 100 watts for example, or 50 watts, whatever you want. Just make sure you press send command as well. Once that's done, you can see at the bottom here the last command record, it should say succeeded. Now if that worked, then you can go back to the batch command and you'll see here that that's changed. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.